How are you today? I'm sitting here with my 1973 Westfalia that I just got today. Really excited about it. Everybody likes these buses, and this would be my second bus. It's a camper deal. Has a lot of rust and parts that need to be fixed, but being an auto body guy, that's right up my alley. And I'm really excited to share it with you guys. We can walk around the bus. You can see some of the damage that it has. This bus been all over the place. It's got all kind of decals of all the travels it's done, and I'm impressed. It's probably been all over the country, and we're gonna bring it back, make it pretty again, and keep on driving it because I definitely want to enjoy this thing. Like I said, it's a little dirty and everything because I just got it, but I'll keep you posted. And was registered in New Hampshire. I'll keep you posted on the developments. We're gonna do a Subaru swap on this. We're gonna do an EJ22 on it because it's got good heat and all that good stuff that comes along with it. There's nothing wrong with Volkswagen engines, but for power and reliability, I think I'll take a Subaru any day. Sorry, Volkswagen guys, I don't mean to offend you. You guys have great engines also, but this is what we're doing. Here she is. Engine bay. Nothing in there but space and rust, but we're gonna take care of that. We also have this piece back here. Look inside. It's typical Westfalia. Like I said, it needs some cleaning. And that's part of the fun also. You got to take that into consideration, that cleanup to me is part of the fun. Here, come around the side, please. And as you can see, it's got all the old school travel stickers. So I'll be disassembling this pretty soon. Start really digging into what needs to be done. We're gonna make her ugly first and then make her awesome. That's the way it goes. Like I said, keep following us as we proceed. So wish us good luck, and hopefully we'll get this done soon so we can go cruising in it. All right, y'all.